Welcome to Wordsmith UPSC Ethics course. UPSC GS4 paper, that is Ethics and Aptitude, has become quite a challenge for students because it has limitless material and content in the market. And the subject in itself is philosophical with no boundaries to its scope. So students prepare endlessly for days for this paper and yet fail to score well in the UPSC exam. Because most of their time goes into studying irrelevant sources and topics that are not required from exam's point of view. We bring to you an 11 hours ethics course, absolutely free. It is specially designed keeping in mind the demand of the UPSC paper based on a comprehensive research of the past year question papers. Now, about the course, there are 5 key features of this course. First, the course has 14 lectures along with special lectures on key topics that are significant from exam's perspective. Second, the lectures are crisp and clear. No irrelevant content, only what is required for exam to score well. Third, emphasis on examples and case studies to enrich your content and enhance your answer writing. Fourth, there is detailed discussion of previous year questions. Lastly, dedicated answer writing practice with personalized feedback and mentorship. First, to comprehensively cover the whole syllabus in line with UPSC demand. Second, answer writing practice to convert your knowledge gained in this course into marks. So, how to effectively study during this course? First, make your notes on loose A4 sheets so you can add, modify your as and when required. And it will also ensure that all your notes are consolidated at one place. Second, leave 1/3 road margin of the paper for examples and case studies. And whenever you come across new examples, then they should be added on the margins. Remember, your examples and case studies make you stand out from the crowd. Third and most importantly, regularly practice answer writing and submit your answers on our Telegram channel or in the comment box below for evaluation and feedback. So stay tuned and like and subscribe our channel on YouTube to stay updated. And comment down below to connect with us.